I'm gonna go over here. I gotta show you this. It's crazy. Ow, my toes. Right. But not that way. What are you doing? Oh, you're so muddy. Guess look who's not going in the house for a while. Ooh. You're not going in the house. No, no. I'm trying to get. Oh, there's a butterfly right in my face. I'm trying to get pictures of this huge storm. Anyway, go over there. There. It's gonna start pouring right on top of me. Where are you all muddy? Huh? Why are you all muddy? Sit. Why are you all muddy? Explain why you're muddy. It's not good explaining. You just sat there and looked at me. Jaws. Come here. Come here. Come here. Your name isn't Jaws. You're Jasper. Jaws. Oh dear. Oh dear, it's getting windy. Oh dear. Getting wet. Nails. Purple. Oh dear. You guys ready to go in yet? You guys, you're muddy. You can't go in. You have to sit here in the rain. Oh dear. That is bad. It's coming this way. It's going this way, so it's going over my house. So, this is the second one today. Yeah, this is the second one. The other one went that way, so you can see it. See it? It went that way. It's going on me. It's going that way. Let's stay out here till it. Jasper, you're not going to be able to pick that ball up. Oh, you got it. Oh, dear. I can hear it. Riding and falling across the sky. In her eyes, Daddy wasn't me, no missing. Mama wasn't there, nowhere in the ground. Listen, call for a twister. Shatter without just all blown away. Everything was away. Better than standing here for yesterday. Everywhere, memories run away. Far away, yeah, yeah. All away, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not pouring like it was the last time. It's getting water all over my camera. It's raining. Oh, Twister. Across the sky. Rainy. Just, oh,
Is it raining?
Yes.
Will you let the dogs in?
Jasper's all muddy. Just a little bit. It's not that bad. Come on! Come on! Come on! Not too bad raining. It got worse. A little bit.
Wet.
Fine. I've gotten wet plenty of times. Stand over here. Not getting wet. Hope it doesn't hail. Feels good though. The rain. Pouring. Get out there. I'll get wet. What's the second time it's rain? Well, thunderstorm. Yep. Hey, yep. There's no buck in the apples today. Yep. What? I'm out here. You want me to come in? Is that what? Oh, I'm getting wet. Oh, it's raining. Want me to rain now? Is that what you want me to do? Oh my. What's up?
Oh, actually I called them and we,
Maybe I should close my window. That's duct tape, by the way. Ouch. Ow. I killed myself. Close that window. So I got my nails painted purple. Cat, do you remember? I'm also the queen of butter. Learn it. I'm gonna go stand out in the rain.